Hello, we are from Group 4, and today we are going to explain our second project, which is Rainfall and Deforestation Dashboard. And each member has contributed each page, and we will be explaining our pages. So I am Saksham Sajidev, and I will be taking you through our homepage. So the technology which we are using in a dashboard is Data Studio, which is a byproduct of Google, which helps in visualizing and analyzing data more accurately and in abstract way. So the data set which we are using for visualization is collected from NOAA and MongoDB website. The data was in crude format. We cleaned and pruned it to get data for all states of India. The data attributes involved are area of hectares, deforestation, which is in hectare, plus rainfall in for each province state. So now comes the homepage of a dashboard, which is contributed by me, in which I will explain data related to state versus rainfall and area in hectares. In this, we can clearly see that there is a dataset table in which attributes includes our states, average rainfall from year 2001 to 2015, their deforested land area, and total area of state in hectares. So now comes the map visualization, which depicts statewide average rainfall from year 2001 to 2015 with proper zoom in and bubbles, which vary size according to average rainfall in states. We have also added state-wise list and slider, which on changing or selecting any particular state also dynamically changes our map, showing average rainfall data in that particular selected state. We can also set lower and upper bound on area, by which our dataset table also changes dynamically, depicting states with selected bounded areas.
Hi everyone, this is Subham and I am going to explain the page 2 of Rainfall Deforestation Dashboard. Now we have created dashboard using Data Studios, a tool to turn data into fully customizable informative report. Here I have created two visual metrics. First one is customizable bar chart that displays variation of average rainfall in every state, and the second one is donut chart that is used to show the proportion of average rainfall in each year ranging from 2001 to 2015. Along with the two graphs, I have added the three controls. First one is states drop down list, where if we point one state, the graph restricts accordingly with different states. The second one is year slider, which varies with different year ranging from 2001 to 2015. And the last one is rainfall count slider that varies with volume in millimeter in different regions and different years.
Hi, this is Priyanshu here. I'll be explaining this page. In this page and the next, we will be studying and visualizing variation in deforestation with various factors. Map 2 shows the average deforestation in each region over the years. You can see this bubble. The size of the bubble corresponds to the area of deforestation in hectares. By hovering on these bubbles, we can see the exact values. Now, I've also made graph 3, which is a plot of deforestation, the area of deforestation versus the state. I've also added two sliders. The first one is the area in hectares. It basically limits the area of the regions, and the second slider talks about the limit of the deforestation area. So we can limit it, and we can see all the states in that particular region.
So I am Shreyansh Gupta and I'll be taking you through this page. At first, we have a pie chart in graph 4 showing average deforestation from 2001 to 2015 with years shown in different colors. By the graph, we visualized how deforestation stood with respect to its years. By hovering on a point, we can see the percentage of average deforestation in a year. In graph 5, we have represented rainfall versus deforestation in area of hectares lost. We can see that areas with heavy rainfall had most number of hectares lost, which relates like if rain is more, forest is more, and people dig more in the area where there is more forest. Again, using the slicers, we can select to see the particular distribution in a particular year or range of deforestation or rainfall as explained by Priyanshu. Coming to our first dashboard, which we discussed already in our first video, which explained COVID-19 and its spread. But we have made slight changes by adding an animated bar graph showing country-wise increasing rate of cases over the time. As you can see, at first China had cases, then other countries slowly came up and overtook China in cases in this animated bar graph. By this, we end our presentation. Thank you.